Want to fix Messenger floating video call not working on Android Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, you want to launch open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on apps. From this list of applications, you want to scroll and find Messenger, then tap on that. Now you will find the option of appear on top, select that. If you have toggled this option off, go ahead and toggle it on, then head back. Now select picture in picture option, go ahead and toggle this option on as well. Once that is done, launch open Messenger and check if your problem is fixed. If not, then you want to tap on the Messenger app again. This time select storage. Now select clear cache. You also want to update the app to the latest version. For that, open up Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and here search Messenger. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If you're still facing this issue, you want to uninstall the app. For that, go ahead and tap on the uninstall option. After uninstalling it, you again want to install it from Play Store. With this, your issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.